Good morning, class! I'm Teacher Marivic. Today, we're going to learn again another lesson in English. Are you all guys ready for the lesson today? Oh, I can't hear you. Alright, that's great. But before we get into our lesson today, I'm gonna show you some pictures. You will tell me what can you see in the pictures. Okay? Alright, let's start. What's this first picture? It's a book. Very good, Jeffrey. How about the second picture? What's this? It's a cat. Alright, very good. How about this third picture? She is a doctor. Alright, very good, Yuki. And the last one, what's this? It's a school. Alright, you did a great job, guys, because you got all the correct answer. Now, what can you notice with these words? Yes, Jeffrey? Yes, you are correct. These words are names. Now, the words that names a person, thing, place, animal, and ideas is what we call noun. Okay, let's practice the word noun. Okay, very good. Now, let's define again what is noun. Noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, animals, and ideas. Now, I'm gonna give you more examples so that you could understand it better. Okay, first one. Name of a person. Teacher Marivic. Alright. Next, name of places. Restaurant, church. Another, name of things. Pencil, notebook. Another one, name of animals. Rabbit, dog. And the last one, ideas, honesty, and peace. Now, I'm gonna show you this one. What country does this flag shows or represents? Yes, you are correct, Jeffrey. It's the flag of Taiwan. Very good. So Taiwan is a country, and country is an example of place. Would be all for the last examples. Now let's have an activity to test if you really understand about nouns. Identify the nouns in the following sentences. Okay? Number 1. The car is moving. One more time. The car is moving. Yes. Now, who can identify the noun here in this sentence? Yes, Erso? Very good. It's the car. Alright. Now, let's proceed to number 2. Layla is eating an apple. One more time. Layla is eating an apple. Anyone in the class can tell me what are the nouns here? Yes, take. Layla and apples. Alright, so in this number 2 sentence, we have 2 nouns. That's a good job. Very good. Now, let's have the third sentence. Chocolates and candies are heroes' favorite. One more time. Chocolates and candies are heroes' favorite. Now, who can identify the noun in this third sentence? Yes, Jeffrey? What's the first one? Chocolates, yes. What else? Candies. And the last one? Hero. Alright. That's a great job, guys. You got all the correct answer. Now, let's read again all the nouns here in these 3 sentences. First, car. Layla. Apple. Chocolates. Candies. And hero. Alright, very good, guys. You did great in our lesson. that would be all for today. I hope you learned and understand something about noun. See you again tomorrow for another lesson. Bye!